Yes, sir. Welcome back, guys. This is Vince, and today's video, I'll be talking about this bracket that was sent to me by a guy named Christian from Tacoma World. What it does is actually just wraps around the hinge of your tailgate, and you just bolt it on the existing bolt on your tailgate. So this one actually delays somebody from stealing your tailgate. It doesn't really prevent it because, like I said, there's just one bolt right here, and if there's a will, there's a way. But hopefully this makes somebody think twice in stealing your tailgates. So he sent it to me bare, but as you can see, I painted it black already. And yeah, I'll show you guys how to easily install this. Alright guys, so this is the screw that I was talking to you guys about. All you gotta do is just remove that, and what you're gonna do is this side, you just have to slide it in there. So I actually mangled my screw here. It's kind of hard to remove, so I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna try doing that later. But for now, I just want to show you guys how it looks like installed without the screw, of course. But yeah, you're just gonna have to put the screw in there, and that's how it's gonna look like.